welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you all this new hairstyle that I found on TikTok. I just happened to come across it when I was scrolling through some TikTok videos, so I decided to give it a try because it's been so long since I've actually tried a new hairstyle. So I hope that you all like this style and you stay tuned for the tutorial, which we'll get into in just a second. I do want to note that I did wash and condition and deep condition my hair before I started styling my hair. So I did that off camera, and then also please ignore the sound of my voice if it sounds a little weird. I do have invisible aligners in and I'm getting used to talking with those in my mouth. So please ignore that. Sorry if it's annoying, but I hope you enjoy the tutorial and we'll get started with that right now. All right, so my hair is pretty wet, so the first thing I am going to do is moisturize my hair. So I'm going to use the Curlsmith Curl Conditioning Oil and Cream, and I'm going to apply that to my entire head. Okay, so hopefully this angle gives you a better view. I'm going to part my hair now, and I hate parting my hair, but I'm gonna go ahead and do part right down the middle of my head. And this time I am actually using a comb because I want the parts to be pretty clean, or at least as clean as I can get them. Okay, so that's pretty clean to me. And then the next part I'm going to do is that I'm going to take it from like here at the point of my ear, and I'm going to take it across. Just finding a couple of hairs that should be on the other side. And I'm going to clip this too. I'm going to twist it down a little bit and clip it so that stays out of the way while I part this side. All right, so now I'm going to part this section into two different sections. And I think I'm going to take it from here. Trying to see what looks best on my head. Thinking okay, so I think that's going to look best on my head. So I'm going to take it from here and part it all the way to that part going down the middle of my head. Perfect. And now I'm going to clip this away so that the hair doesn't get mixed in with this section. And I'm going to take a pump and a half, so this is one pump of the main choice. I'll show you in just a second. Just getting that half pump in there. So this is the main choice peach black tea vitamin B. I'm gonna braid it about halfway down because I am not using any rubber bands in my hair. I'm getting mousse all over my face. And then I'm just twirling the ends so that they stay. It doesn't start to unravel too much. And then you can take a couple bobby pins to hold it in too. So I'm going to take it up in this direction and lace the bobby pin between the braid and through the hair back here. You can see me pushing it down and through that. And then I'm going to take one more and go in the opposite direction and do the same thing. And there's the first one. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the second braid. And I like to use mousse to hold my hair in the braid, but I know a lot of people like to use gel. So that's another option. I just like to use the mousse because it's a little lighter. But I have used gel also, so either works. All right, so I'm going to take this one, I'm going to go like slightly in a diagonal that way. And again, I'm starting at the very corner again. I hope you can see some of this. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to secure this one too. Alright, so now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of my head. Okay, so you could very much so just stop here, put whatever curl cream or however you style your hair when you do a wash and go. You could just do that to your hair now and wear your hair like this, or you can continue on to what I'm about to do. So as you saw earlier, I did put that leave-in conditioner in my hair, but I do want to add a little oil here. My hair is not completely dry yet. I'm gonna add some to the other side, and then I'm going to add some cream to my hair, so I'm going to grab that. All right, so since I am going to be putting my hair up in buns, I'm not going to use anything that I really love to keep my hair defined and curly. So I just grabbed my Quiet Calm Curl Control, and I'm going to apply that to the rest of my hair. See, you can even throw it in a little ponytail. I think that is so cute. But I'm gonna go all the way and I'm gonna do my buns. So I'm going to part down the rest of my hair, down the middle, well, at least as much in the middle as I can, because I never ever can see what I'm doing and it never comes out perfect, but that's okay. And then I'm going to brush it up here. And this is not going to look as puffy as it will once it actually dries. So I'll come back on once my hair dries to show you what it looks like. Do the same thing on this side. And I'm just grabbing a hair tie. I typically don't use these hair ties, but I'll probably take it out once my hair dries. I just want to show you all what it looks like really quick. And then once it dries, I'll probably take these hair ties out and replace them with these because they don't pull my hair out. That does not look great, so let me just redo that while I'm looking in the mirror. And there you go. And I am gonna do my edges too, actually. All right, so I just put a little water on my toothbrush, gonna put a little gel on there, rub it in. Right, so I'm just patting some gel in there, and I'm going to slick my edges down a little bit. It's been forever since I've done this, so don't laugh at me. My face this entire video, you can tell that I've been concentrating so hard. This is the first time I've done this hairstyle, so I'm learning with you. Great, I'm gonna do a little bit more gel for the other side. And seriously, I don't even know if this is going to keep my edges down. I just grabbed the Curlsmith InStyle or In Shower Style Fixer, and I'm just gonna use that. I went crazy buying these little travel size Curlsmith products. So I've been using them for everything. Been really liking them too, so definitely worth it. All right, so there we go, now we're done. Oh, and last thing I do want to mention is that in order to keep my hair down and slicked, I do take my scarf and like when I do hairstyles like this, I'll fold it so that it's like in a rectangle shape, and then take it across the style. And you know what, since I did my edges too, get those slick and laid. And then I just tie it, and I'll leave it like this until my hair dries. All right, so I'll be back on to show you my puffs once they're dry. So see you in a few hours, hopefully 1 hour. I'll see you soon. All right, so my hair is pretty much dry now, so I am going to take it out of the scarf so that you all can see what it looks like once it is laying down and slicked down, so you can see how clean it looks now. And my buns have gotten a little bigger now that they are mostly dry, so you get to see what this style actually looks like. And because I really like how this is laying and looking right now, I'm actually not going to take these hair ties out and switch them out yet. I'm going to wait until tomorrow or whenever I decide to take these buns down. But every night I am going to cover my hair with a scarf so that my braids don't get frizzy. And I hope this lasts for a week. So I hope that you like this style. If you did, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I am going to try a few more TikTok hairstyles, so stay tuned for that. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.